This is the elevator at the Kohl store at the Paramus Place Mall in Paramus, New Jersey. It is a Montgomery Kone. This button is beaten up. It's actually coming out of the Kohl station. There's your lantern. Let's go up to 2. And let's listen to the motor. Wow, that was one.
Thank you.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here we go. Ouch. A 2,500 pound capacity. It's just your basic Kohl's elevator, renovated, I'm not sure when. Installed in 2000, let's ring the alarm. Nice alarm there. And here we are at level 1. We'll take it for one more ride. If no one's here, if not, we'll just get off and just end the video. Alright, one last ride. Here we go. Oh, the down lantern doesn't work. The down lantern doesn't work anymore. And one last cap here. This thing is horrible. I wonder if this thing will get modernized this year. Oh wow, look at that door. Wow, that's pretty bad. I guess after 18 years, an elevator really starts to show its age. Now we're getting off here. Take a look at your equipment. There it goes, and that's it.